A man suing the city of Sweetwater in federal court for allegedly arresting him without cause is now making a new accusation.
He says Sweetwater police officers have been trying to intimidate him at his home, so he's filed a court motion over it. CBS 4's Natalia Zaya is live in Coral Gables, where she spoke with that man and his lawyer. So what did he have to say, Natalia?
Well, George Del Rio works as a private investigator, and he filed a federal lawsuit back in 2012 saying that the City of Sweetwater police officers falsely arrested him. Well, he now has filed a new motion asking a judge to order all Sweetwater police officers to stay away from him after he says a police lieutenant tried to intimidate him. Take a look at the dash cam video that George Del Rio shot. Now, this is an unmarked Sweetwater police vehicle driving in Del Rio's neighborhood and later parked in front of his home. This was shot the day before Del Rio was set to appear at a hearing on the federal lawsuit he filed against that police department back in 2012. In that lawsuit, he accused the Sweetwater officers of falsely arresting him and holding him for 16 hours. Well, the City of Sweetwater confirms that this unmarked vehicle was driven by a police lieutenant who was on duty at the time he parked in front of Del Rio's house, even though Del Rio does not live in Sweetwater's jurisdiction.
I was threatened. And even my family, my neighbors, everybody now is like looking out their window just trying to see if they see this cops driving by again.
Well, I call it harassment, I call it intimidation, I call it stalking. There's no reason for this officer to be outside of his jurisdiction, in front of the house, parked no less. A person who has made some very serious allegations about police corruption in a pending lawsuit.
Del Rio says he called Miami-Dade police to respond to the suspicious vehicle in front of his house, but that someone canceled that call without explanation. A judge will now review this motion that his attorney has filed to order Sweetwater police to stay away from him while this other federal lawsuit is pending. We reached out to the Sweetwater city manager and Mayor Jose Diaz and have not yet heard back, but we'll have more for you coming up today at 6. Natalia Zaya, CBS 4 News.